Here's where they weigh those tractors and measure the drawbar distances. This must be the staging area. Here's one being weighed. Measure the hitch. That looks like an old Minneapolis Moline.